Hi friends, Erica here, back with day 13 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is sequins, and I have the ever imaginative Jodie Compton joining me today on YouTube and Instagram, so please check out her take in the links below. Today I am making a 12 by 12 page with an easy and simple way to incorporate sequins into your page. I've already taken my ruler and marked off every 2 inches and added little tick marks at the top and bottom of the page, so I had a general guideline as to whether I was going straight or not. So as of this point, I'm working on my layers, and these scraps are a mix of simple stories, happy hunting, as well as Gray Paper Hate Pumpkin. I love both collections, they're so cute. So this part, it did take me a little bit of time just to figure out the balance of the layers and how I wanted it to look. But thankfully, it all worked out in the end. Apart from the layers, I am going to mount my photo on some foam adhesive tape, and there won't be any fussy blading in this video. I know, it's weird. Who am I, right? And what have I done with Erica? I have some ephemera pieces from the collection that I will be using, and I also will be mounting with foam adhesive tape. And as you can see to my left, I've already pre-sorted some sequins that I had in my stash, which is literally just a sandwich baggie full of all kinds of colors of sequins. So not much for an organizational storage solution, but it works. So I'm just taking my Glossy Accents glue, which is ironic because I've been saying for the longest time that I'm almost done with the bottle, and I barely had enough to glue these sequins down. So the bottle is now defunct. I can officially get a new adhesive, and I'm so excited. I believe I'm going to try the Nuvo adhesive. I've heard great things about it. Now that I'm working on my title, it's a little bit tongue-in-cheek as usual. I did invest in a new Halloween t-shirt collection this year, and this was on one of the shirts, and I got a kick out of it, so I decided to add it to my page. Unfortunately, I was out of ease, so I did have to construct or conduct a little bit of letter surgery, but I don't think it ended up looking too badly. Both alphas are from Felicity Jane. The top one is just a sticker alpha, and the bottom is a thicker alpha. So from here, I'm just adding the final touches with some Nuvo drops, and apart from that, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you join us for the rest of the month of the series. If you do, please make sure to use the hashtag 31 days of spooky scraps so we can all see your beautiful work. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!